All right, guys, Daniel the Adjuster here. It's been a long time since I have posted, but hey, I thought it would be fun. We are with another roofer doing a roof inspection on this house. Okay, guys, I've been in the subdivision quite a bit, and today I am joined with Brian from Goliath Roofing, and he's here to help us out. You know what's so cool, guys, about the roofing guys is that they are super helpful in setting up a ladder. Look at that ladder over there. I came up to the house, drove up, and that ladder was sitting up ready to go. I didn't have to set it up. So hey, make friends with your roofers. They'll help you out. So let's take a look at this house, guys. All right, so guys, remember when I come walking up to a house, the first thing you're gonna do is start to look for collateral damage, your gutters, downspouts, anything that you can see. This one over here was really simple. Also, my roofer also chalked that for me. So see that little ding there? So we're gonna make that super easy. We've already checked the garage. The homeowner's already left, but we already checked the garage. You're gonna look up top there for screen damage. Didn't see a whole lot of collateral on this. That's what it's called, guys. When we have damage to soft metals and screens, it's called collateral damage. So let's get up on the roof. All right, we're gonna climb up on the ladder. You guys love to see me climb these ladders, but hey, you just climb up the ladder and right here on this roof line, we're gonna look down the gutter line just to see if there's any damage to the top of our gutters or anything like that. Not seeing anything at this point. So we're gonna pull out a pitch gauge, which is gonna measure the angle of this slope here. And unfortunately it's on my phone, so I can't use it right here on this video. But you're gonna check your slopes for your pitches. You're gonna do your shingle gauge. Now this one, I have tried to dig up underneath there, and I can't get it under there. So what I do is I just lay it down on the top, show that it's a laminated shingle, and then when I label my drawing, I'm gonna say shingle stuck down. So I don't wanna tear up the shingle just to be able to lift it to get a gauge. And then you also wanna check your layers. You'll lift it up, see if you have drip edge. That lip right there is not drip edge, that is the metal flashing that is bent over, but just one layer and no drip edge. We're up on top of the roof here in the porch. First thing you want to do is also look for this flashing. See the flashing? It's got dings on it. That's an indication we got some hail. Here we're going to be able to look a little closer to our screens. These screens almost look like they've been replaced because they are in good shape and the house is relatively new. But yeah, not seeing any damage on the screens at this time. The overview of the porch. Sorry for the wind. I know this is going to be kind of loud, but another place to check up here is the gutters up top here to make sure we don't have any damage. Notice the granules that are in the gutters, guys. That gives a good indication. We potentially had some hail damage here that knocked off a bunch of granules, so that's something to notate. Also want to point out, guys, this really cool tool here. It's called a pitch hopper. Awesome tool to buy, guys, if you want to jump on and keep yourself safe. Same thing. It's got the foam on the bottom just like the boots do, and it's a great tool to use for standing up on the roof if you are afraid of heights. Guys, we're on the roof. I apologize for the wind. I know this is going to be really loud and terrible, but make sure you check out your view. Remember, guys, this is the best place in the world to be, is on top of a roof. A little bit cloudy and a little bit cool today, but a beautiful day. Oop, hey. Yeah, so roofers come up here too. They help us out. And let's take a look at the roof. Okay, so simply, I like to look at these vents. These vents always have a nice ding on them. Not real big stuff on this house, but they definitely have them. So you want to check them out. That's your telltale sign that you've had some hail that has hit to the house. Here, you're gonna do a kind of a test square as best you can. But what you're gonna do is look at those areas, look to see what kind of shingle damage there is. And sometimes it doesn't show up on video, guys, so please bear with me. But sometimes it's hard to see on video, but it is definitely there. Here's a good one over here. The granules come out in the center of the hit. So beautiful hit there. And then you come over here and check out the back. Oh, look at that. We've got a dryer vent that's clogged. Fire hazard, guys. Check it out. Might want to point that out online in our report. Help out that owner. Let them know that they've got an issue there that potentially could be fire. All right, a couple more hits there. All right, so what you're gonna do, guys, is make sure you go around and check everything, even your vent tops here. Got a little one right here, not big, but little. And then get your overviews for the house as well, all your sides. Do your test squares on all four corners, or all four slopes, to make sure that we've got a good view of what's going on as far as damage. We're going to check our gutters and put our report together. All right, so just a simple inspection today, nothing tremendous. We do get hailstorms throughout the year, and yes, the insurance company can actually pull a claim for something that maybe even be a year old as far as damage. So it does keep us busy with some of the residual work. So keep that in mind, guys. It's not always just an immediate storm that keeps us busy. It's the residual storm. So Brian here with Daniel, the adjuster. See you guys later. Bye-bye.